So today we are in San Juan. No excursions booked. We're going to make our own excursion. And we're going to have fun. We have now been married for 24 years plus 1 day. And I love this woman more than ever. I can kind of see what people mean when they feel like San Juan and Puerto Rico is not as Caribbean-y, I guess. I mean, at least right here at the port, the water looks more like it looks in Virginia. It's not crystal clear or anything like that, but and it's really kind of weird because as you come off the ship, you've got all this American stuff. You got Ralph Lauren Polo, you got Walgreens. It's just so odd to see American things when we're in a cruise port, but it's still cool. I mean, it's just, I'm not complaining. It's just, it's a little surreal and odd, to be honest. It's Sheraton. Let's see if this dolphin comes back up. There was a dolphin playing in the wake over here when we first got here. Right off the bow here of the Celebration, but I was hoping to maybe capture it again, but he's went on to do better things. He's mad at us because we looked at other dolphins yesterday. When you exit the San Juan cruise port, if you take a left, there'll be all kinds of vendors and straw market activities going on, similar to what you would see in any other cruise port. So it's hot. We may regret this, but we are going to tour Puerto Rico by electric bike. Okay, we went 1/10 of a mile. This sucks. Never again. Dangerous. Doesn't work. We're done. Would not suggest. You should not be sweating this much when you do an electric bike. Bird bike service, you suck. You better give us your money back, our money back. It's just terrible. Do not do it. About to get back on the ship at this point. I'm really aggravated. Just need to sit here and calm down, but that was a horrible experience. Never again. Never, ever again. I've rode the electric bikes before, like the Lime bikes and stuff like that in Tampa. Fantastic experience. That sucked. Really sucked. You know, something that could make this better? A pina colada. All right, here we go. La Casita for some pina coladas. It's supposed to be the spot for pina coladas. Dos pina coladas, por favor. Doubles, floaters, and all the good stuff. We've got a fantastic bartender. He's hooking us up right now because our day has sucked so far. Gabrielle is fantastic. Let's give this pina colada a shot. Go ahead, Chess.
Definitely hit the spot.
Yeah.
Muy excelente. Yeah, very good. We are about to have some Puerto Rican moonshine.
You getting this all?
Go, girl.
Yeah. It's actually not. Ooh, that's strong.
All right, they went for the fruity stuff. I went for the clear.
The hardcore.
Here we go.
I know.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
So any good moonshine sommelier, you can see the tears.
Yeah.
It's got legs. That's some good stuff right there. It's actually It burns good. It burns smooth. That's excellent. We are on the move in downtown San Juan, heading to get the original, the OG pina colada at Barrachina. Right? Barrachina? Yep. We're following Aaron. This place is nuts, but the day's getting better for us. It started off pretty bad, but day's definitely getting better. So I had to do a wardrobe change because I was sweating too much.
I mean, yes, I did.
The stupid bicycles messed up the fanny pack. So I've got a new drawstring pack.
Yeah.
So we are on the move and we are having fun though, ain't we, babe?
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot more fun when we get up here.
That's
and
right.
Try this pina colada.
Ooh, bring me
2
pina coladas. Oh, I gotta have one for each hand. Restaurant Barrachina, home of the pina colada since 1963. We are in Barrachina. This is going to be awesome. We got a nice little shaded area over here with our new friend Cody, Aaron and Tracy's friend from Tampa. This is going to be fantastic. Cannot wait to have some awesome pina coladas.
Best pina colada in Puerto Rico. Or I guess it was the
Salud. Sorry to taint.
Salud. I like it because it's pineapple.
Oh, I'm fine, thank you.
Sure, right back.
Yeah, I told Paul
But I
wouldn't
met
drink.
you.
I told Paul I wouldn't drink.
All right. I'm so hungry.
Muy bien, excelente. It's so good, yeah. Wait, guys.
Yum. Super good.
So our Puerto Rican Delights appetizer just showed up. We've got corn fritters, chicken croquettes, and an assortment of empanadas. And we're just waiting on them to cool down a little bit. This sauce looks amazing. Are you fired up? I'm fired up. I'm fired up, yeah. That is corn fritter. Chicken croquette.
And so, but they didn't have the model. They're like, okay, so go to San Antonio.
That is so good. Empanada.
So we saw that we could have it.
Only half, though, since it's 3 different ones.
So it's not, but it's still
Beef empanada.
It's not like
So good. So these good folks here are in line for the to-go Barrachina.
The picturing is very good. That's the backsplash.
Okay.
A nice subtitle.
That was cheese.
Oh, I want to try that.
Countertops and the cabinet.
And this is exciting
I know, and then that'll be
and stressful.
yeah, that'll be the bathroom, that little area. That's
Our
amazing.
seafood mofongo has just arrived. Aaron and Tracy got some steak mofongo, and Cody got a Caesar with like 2 chicken breasts on it. It looks like. You gonna go ahead and get in there for the mofongo ball?
That's why I'm happy that we're building, so
Look through that.
yeah. I know, I think I don't know if I like it.
It's a little fishy, but I think it's the octopus.
Yeah.
We just finished up Barrachina. That was some really, really good mofongo, some really, really good drinks. Yes, they were. So after a rough start this morning, I've enjoyed Puerto Rico. San Juan's been really cool. I wish our morning wouldn't have began so bad because there's a lot to do here in the port without getting an excursion. You just hop off the ship, walk a little ways, go find some fantastic food and drink, and I've had a good time.
Yeah.
And pro tip, CVS has probably the cheapest souvenirs. They're even cheaper than the street vendors, and they have the same selection.
This shirt, $9.99.
Yeah, this shirt was $9.99, and this bag was $5 because I had to replace the bag after the bicycle debacle. So it may not have been perfect. However, you can have a great day in the Port of San Juan without booking an excursion. There are plenty of things to do. You go check out Barrachina and a number of the great bars and restaurants, the shopping, the views. What an amazing port. Always jump off the ship in Puerto Rico and go have a great time. If you'd like to see more cruising and travel content, click on the video above.